Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and owner access to the website. First, open Search Console and click Add Property. Choose Domain Property for full coverage or URL prefix for a single protocol. Once done, you'll copy the verification token or follow the DNS instructions provided. Verify via your DNS host if possible. This covers all subdomains. Make sure to keep your domain host login handy. Verification can require a TXT record change and may take a few minutes. Now you'll complete verification using one of the detailed methods. If you control DNS, add the exact TXT record and save. DNS propagation can vary, so wait then click Verify. If DNS isn't an option, upload the HTML file to your site root or insert the meta tag into your homepage head section. Once verified, link Search Console to Analytics or Tag Manager to share data. Make sure to recheck ownership if you migrate hosts. Verification can break when domain records change. Finish by submitting your sitemap to accelerate crawling. Go to Sitemaps, enter sitemap, XML, and submit. Then use URL inspection on critical pages to see coverage status and request indexing for changes. Once done, review the coverage report and mobile usability to catch issues. If verification fails or pages won't index, check DNS propagation delays, ensure uploaded HTML files are publicly accessible, and clear any aggressive caching or security rules blocking Googlebot. One common fix is temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.